Say hello to my little friend.
Say hello to my little friend.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Bronzo.
Bronzo.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
Yeah, you're such a good boy.
I know.
Why me? Why me? Why? I'm a cute girl. Want to love me?
Hey there, welcome. So for those of you who are new, I'm Maz and this is my 2018 Mustang GT, which is a little bit heartbroken. So my first engine was swapped due to scoring on cylinder number 3. For the new engine, the injectors have been swapped, the manifold has been swapped. However, I have the 2K rattle or slapp or whatever you want to call it, and on cold starts I have the typewriter tick as well. So I've done a couple of videos with the issues I'm experiencing. With that said, I honestly do love the car, but unfortunately I still have these issues which needs to get sorted, and let's get to that point straight away. So I have been in contact with the dealer which I originally purchased the car from multiple times, and now I have been in contact with their market service manager. So and he's been in contact with Ford now, Ford Sweden that is, and sort of it's up to this manager and Ford to get something going on. And at the moment I'm waiting for, so Ford has one technician for whole of Sweden which travels around for these special type of cases. So I have to wait until it fits his schedule to come over to the dealer close to me then to actually have a look at the car and see what the issues are. Because in Sweden we don't have lemon laws as you have in, as there are in US. In Sweden we have something, if they have tried to repair the same issue more than 3 times or 3 attempts, then you could potentially initiate to have the car bought back or have it swapped for another car. So I'm still waiting on that to see what my options are, what we're going to end up from a costing perspective, because this type of car is rather expensive in Sweden. So let's see how it goes with that. So I actually had a time slot at the dealer on Monday. I got there. They listened to so I had been there 2 weeks before, and they listened to the engine and said, yeah, it doesn't sound right. So I was intended to go there on Monday. I went there, and they listened to the car again, but they didn't take the car in because they said, no, Ford has contacted us and we don't want to touch it until this technician, special tech from Ford actually has given his thoughts about it. So I had to go back, so nothing happened. So that was actually the 16th time I have been at different dealers for the engine issues alone. 16th time, you heard me right. So it's getting a bit annoying that we don't have an end to this. Hopefully something will happen, I'm not sure what. I have been sort of looking at other cars, but having a car which gives this type of emotion with this beautiful, beautiful looks. I love the lightning blue. Sorry for the car being dirty, it's very snowy here, and anyhow, so it's really difficult to find a car which is gives the similar type of emotions and so on within a reasonable price bracket with 4 seats and so on. But anyhow, that's that. So for now I don't have any more news as such. I had purchased the Blackview 900 front and rear view camera from Amazon, but that I won't be installing in this one until I know what will happen with the car. So also I was thinking about ordering a new front lip and potentially new grills, but that's not gonna happen. I was intended to do a clip of me installing the Velosa Big Mouth together with the standard airbox, but let's see what the future brings. Hopefully I can bring some of that, or I'll sell some of the parts. So that's that. Unfortunately, I don't have anything more to say at the moment with regards to the engine issues I'm having. No further analysis has been done on what could actually be causing it. I am a bit unsure myself what the issues are. I mean, I don't know. At 2300 RPM, you can hear it quite clearly into the cabin of the slapping rattle, or whatever you want to call it. The typewriter tick seems to be going away once the engine is warm. And also I'm running the standard 20 oil, so the oil has not been changed. I don't have any Ceratec, anything of that kind. I want to keep the car as stock as possible until all of this has a resolution for it. So please subscribe, thumbs up, give me some power. Alright guys, until the next time, see you, bye.